want to give you a short video. I'm still at Emma's, but here's Emma. She's eating salad. Hi. So I just want to give you Kobe. Say hi. Say hi to the camera, boy.
He doesn't know what's happening right now.
He has his little nose, his eyes.
He's adorable.
He is the cutest dog I ever met. And he's the slimiest.
Yeah, maybe not in the world, but
He's the slimiest.
slimiest.
Yeah, he's slimy. Well, he's really
He
slimy.
drools.
Yep. Okay, so I just want to give you a quick video on Kobe. Emma, do you have anything to say besides watch me on YouTube? That's Emma Ibex, and I'm Samantha Guerrero, of course. Hi. Do you want to say anything besides putting your dress?
But ever since they shot Liv's video here, it's been a little crazy.
That's my dog.
Of course we know. I am Nick. That's why I put.
Also, Kobe's crying.
Bye.
Wait, bye. I want to say bye.
Bye.